Come on, let's go, let's go. Sit down in this chair right now. Right now. Jeez. Who are you working for? Huh? Why were you spotted on this property, huh? What's this? Huh? Butterfly knife? I don't think so. Alright? Are we clear? I don't think we are. Why was there another one of you before on our property? Huh? Huh? Better talk. Better talk. Better talk. Because, I mean, if you don't, that's just not good. Why aren't you answering these questions, huh? Huh? Time to get your hands. Let's go. Right now. Let's teach you that, huh? Let's teach you that, huh? How you like that? Sit back down right now. Why aren't you answering these questions? Down. Put it down now. Whoa, that was close. Hi, I'm Batman. These are yours. Not for long. You're not getting them back unless you beat me. Let's do this. Oh. Yeah, how you like that? Just go time. Oh. Is there one here? I'll show you. Think you can get away that easy?